up, bitches?
Everyone always thinks my internet connection is bad, and therefore I can't sustain an erection with my girlfriend. It's been a year together, and I just have to touch myself. I feel so good. You know,
I'm here to give you your massage terrorizer.
All right.
this is not all right. There has to be a union. I'm
back on the
Hey,
bed,
hey,
you're
you still have
fired.
30 more minutes in this session.
You're going to be fired if you don't get back on the bed.
What do you think I'm paying you for these sessions?
This is bullshit.
Why are you paying him for these? Okay, guys, listen up. We need to have this meeting right now.
Okay, calm down. Jesus.
We gotta sell our products, man. We're running low on the money lately, man. We need warehouses so we can push out our products faster. We don't have enough space. We need to go out and buy warehouses. That's the first objective.
What's our product, though?
Selling guns. He just ran out. He left. And then he never came back, and he wouldn't let me get.
So how?
Serious.
So, did you sign up for that happy ending, Delirious?
I did. I did.
Okay.
A
Just
little
want to
off the
make
top.
sure. Just want to make sure.
Yes, I would love a happy ending. You know, I don't think I'm respected enough as a CEO in this business. They all
Tell me more. Tell me more. Open yourself
See?
up. Open
See
yourself
what I'm
up.
saying? They
Take off your pants. Open yourself up. Get comfortable.
Happy ending. Come on.
I'm scared. I just went. You could go in first person mode on the bed.
So why don't you feel respected?
Because I just don't, man. You guys don't. You don't. Work
All right, your
hard
time's
enough.
up. That was a great session.
What?
I'll see you next week.
Get started.
It's $1,000. Okay.
Fucking just started. Wait a minute.
Delirious.
What?
Delirious.
What?
Hey.
Oh my God! Man!
What up?
That is not how you drive a boat.
It is now.
Yeah.
What? Hey.
Fuck off my boat.
Oh yeah. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go?
Oh, I'm going places. No!
Cool guys, don't look at explosions. Hey, what's your magician name?
The great Truckdini.
Die, Brock, die. Die, Brock, die.
Yay! Why? New world out there, guys. There is a new world order.
No, there isn't. The same world.
There's new trash cans to be collected out there. We must collect all the trash cans. We hungry?
Yes, we have to create world peace.
Yeah. Whoa, where did that come from? Oh, you loco, friend. You loco. You so loco on me. Don't you get out of here. Get out of this crib.
No, you get out of here.
Hey, no, you crazy.
This is my place.
You crazy.
Oh, okay, let's see. Let's stand next to each other. Who looks crazy?
You do. What you doing out, man? We got this.
We're gonna find some props and sell them.
Is that what we do? We kidnap poor little props and sell them on the black market.
That's what we do.
The black market.
That is what we
my
do,
God.
man. See these
Yes.
victims?
Yes.
These used to
These
be
poor victims.
competitive prop hunt
Yeah,
players.
yeah. Look. You didn't used to have markings. We've been whipping them. Look at that.
We've been torturing these props.
Yes, they've been tortured, and they're getting rid. Especially
Look,
this one.
look what we did.
Yes.
Look what we did to this.
We took his brain out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we turned him into a Pac-Man's little bitch. That's right.
Turned him into a Pac-Man's little bitch.
Yeah, that's right.
You didn't turn him into Pac-Man. You turned him into Pac-Man's little bitch.
Pac-Man's little bitch.
Into a Pac-Man's little bitch.
Hey! Pig running! Piggy! Where'd the fucking pig go?
Ooh, I like the ninja vanish.
All right, remember the plan. Remember the plan.
Push the fast car off. Push the fast car off. Push him off. He's got no power. He's got more. Oh,
There goes Delirious.
I blew the fuck up.
I got him. Yeah.
Give birth.
What? I think he was saying that because we're yelling, but who says that when they're delivering a baby? Give birth! Push harder! Give birth! You just say that in the background. He's there.
I don't know. Oh, no, Louis, you had to win.
You're there
If
with
he
like a
wins, the game's
pitchfork
over.
in the background and like a torch. Give birth!
Give birth! Give birth!
Louis, you have to win. I have not died, guys. I feel
Okay, go.
confident.
Okay, go.
Go ahead then.
Go,
I'm
Mr.
going.
Confident.
You don't believe me? I'm going now. You don't believe me? I'm going right now.
I was not expecting that. Okay, this is your favorite trap, Delirious. You can do it.
Oh, is it?
Delirious?
Is
Yeah,
it my
remember
fucking favorite
last
trap, huh?
time? Remember last time?
Yes. You don't believe me? I'm going right now. Right, but do you guys remember this?
What the fuck was that fake?
What were we supposed to remember?
Okay.
Jump off the edge.
Okay.
Shut up, bitch.
What do you say to me? What'd you say?
Back me out of there.
No!
I don't
like it. I don't like it.
Please.
Into the road.
Please. Hey guys, what's up? H2O Delirious here. Welcome to my crib. This is the best house in the world on the best island in the world in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Come inside, guys. I want to show you around. First things first, I want to show you guys my awesome living room. Come inside. Come inside, guys. What are you waiting for? Come inside, guys.
I need to be the first to tell you. I think you need a fucking lighthouse around here. You got two boats that crashed into your fucking island.
God damn it, I told him not to ever come around here again. Guys, welcome to my house.
The door won't open.
Welcome. Oh, God damn it!
Take
All right,
two.
guys, welcome to my house. What the fuck happened to my house?
Did you leave the popcorn in the microwave on too long?
Okay, guys, season 2 has started.
Three.
This is season three.
Season 3, Delirious.
Worst host.
Season 4.
Okay, Regis just had a heart attack.
Welcome to season 3 of.
4. You died on season 3.
Oh yeah. Welcome to season 4 of Media Run. Let me think what I'm gonna say.
5 minutes ago.
Camera's rolling.
Yeah, just say
We're live right now. We're live.
We're live, Delirious. You gotta think.
Welcome to season 4, guys. This time we're gonna figure out who the true winner of the house is. Are you gonna win?
I thought I won the house last season.
Oh, you know what? Here, let me find a prize. Hold on.
your
That'd be
house
good.
got repoed.
He's gonna come out with a handful of lint and quarters.
No, I got you. Your prize is gonna be a brand new car.
This is nice.
All right, no, you're not supposed to drop it. You're not supposed to drop it.
This is sick. Wait, so whoever survives the longest, just to have this forever?
Yes.
What season is this?
5. We're on season
6.
5.
We're skipping season 5.
This feels like boss. I have no clue what's going on.
You can't skip season 5.
Season 19, guys. 3.
It's not season 19.
2,
What happened to season
1,
6?
Go. All right, guys. I'll be right back.
What?
I need to go back to season 6. Welcome to season 5. You know the rules. The last person who survives is the winner of the house. What's up, guys? Welcome to my crib. This is my house.
You
It's
came
beautiful.
out way too early. The cameraman's still like a mile away. Get back in the house. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead.
What? Where'd you go?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Hey, how's it going?
He scared the absolute shit out of me.
All right, go ahead.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Delirious. What the hell? What'd you do to my house? Welcome, everybody. Welcome to my house.
All right, go.
Welcome, everybody. Welcome to my house. What's up, guys? H2O Delirious. Get the fuck off my property. Get the hell off my property. I said this. Tell my friend to tell you, my little gnome friend. Go away. You still here?